Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato latkes for Passover. So what I did, take a look over here. I mixed potato with onion and matza. I took the matza and I crushed them. I took the mixer and I mixed slowly. Then I'm mixing everything, and what you need to do is put eggs. So I got 2 eggs here, and we need to put like 3 eggs all together and mix it. This it was frozen. Pause. So I had to go get more eggs. So 3 more eggs. 5 eggs all together. And you gotta mix this really well. And then add salt and pepper. So we got 5 eggs. And we're mixing it real good. Real good. So that it blends in, because you got matzah in here, not matzah meal, but the actual matzah. As you can see, I'm mixing it. There's onion in here, all crushed, and then you're gonna put salt and pepper, and you're gonna let it sit. You see? So here I'm putting the pepper, and salt. There's 2 types of version of latkes. One is salty, which this is what I'm making, and there's some that are sweet. So you can add either sugar, honey, or apples. In this case, we're just doing we making the salty version with onion, potato, and matza. So I'm adding more matza, as you can see, to make it, because it came out too wet. So we crushing the matza, and we wanted to get it like really thin, so it grabs to the juice, because there's a lot of, there's egg, and there's a lot of the juice from the potato and from the onion. So we want to get it really small, as you can see, and mix it and dry it up, because if it's too wet, it's not gonna hold when you're gonna fry it. So you have to have a consistency, so you can make it like a latkes shape, like almost like a patty. This is how you do it. So you see, I'm mixing it, trying to get it dry. So I'm putting more matzah to make it more dry, and the patty to be more consistent, because it's still very wet. So we want to get a consistency here, to make it really nice. And so you gotta mix it. With the matza meal, it would have been a little bit easier, but we did not buy the matza meal today. So I decided to do this version with the actual matza. It's gonna be more crunchy than with the matza meal. As you can see, I have the consistency. Okay, now we got the consistency, and what we gotta do, make it like a patty, like that. Take out the juice, okay, and this is how you do it. You throw it in. Next, make a couple Latkes patties. Take out the juice. And next, do a couple of them. As you can see, what I'm doing is I'm taking the juice out so it doesn't break when you're frying them. Oh, you see it broke. It's okay, you can put it together. I did put a lot of eggs in here, 5 eggs, so it should hold. And if it doesn't, it's okay, you can just flip it, you know. So we want to put like 4 patties, and see what happens. Look, very easy peasy, Japanese. And you can cover it with the short one, and increase the heat and let it cook 5 to 10 minutes. Wash the hands, and when one side starts sizzling and brownish, that's when you know that this is you know, it's ready. And you can always add flavor, like more salt to make it more tasty. Salt. And, you know, pepper. You want to add the pepper. You see it starts sizzling, and then cover it. Lower the temperature a little bit. You don't want it to fry too fast. Now it's cooking, it's cooking. Once you get that crispiness, crispy texture, then you're gonna flip it, just like any patty. So I'm gonna show you how it's gonna cook, and once it gets golden brownish, then I'm gonna show you how to take it out. Okay guys, so look, as you can see, it's turning brown. Turning brown, that's a good sign. And as soon as it turns brown like that, you wanna flip it. Flip. And then the next time you're gonna turn it, when that side, the other side turns brown. So you wanna have that consistency and make sure it doesn't break. Like this one, it shows that it's about to break because I didn't have the consistency there. And look, this one's about to break too. So let it sit more. It needs to be able to be compounded and grabbed. Here, this one I got it. And as you can see, now I'm trying to get the other one, but it's like falling apart. So gotta flip it the right way, which is not easy. Then what you do again, you cover it so it cooks well, not only on the outside but also on the inside. So you're gonna have the good, and increase the temperature a little bit to make it more browny. And yeah, so guys, look at me. As you can see, this is like brown, And this is a great idea for the Passover. This Kosher for Passover Latkes salty version.